Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, chemistry, we'll be looking at the atomic structure. Now, as you know, atomic structure, it just talks about the internal structure of an atom. So, we look at the structure of an atom. That's all. Structure of an atom. Now, an atom looks like this. It's just a general structure, by the way. Okay. So it has got the circles. These we call them the energy levels. Then we have this here, we call it the nucleus. In the nucleus, you are going to find P and N. P stands for proton, or N stands for neutron. Together, the protons and the neutron, they form the nucleus. Then these X that we are seeing here, sometimes they can be X, sometimes they can be an E, and a negative charge there. These are what we call electrons. Okay. So in short, we are saying in an atom we have a particle. This particle has got a charge. This particle has got a symbol. This particle has a mass. It also has a location. It's very important. So the particle, let's start from the proton. What's the charge of the proton? It's positive. Symbol, it's P. The mass is 1 mu. Location, it's the nucleus. Let's go to the neutron. The neutron, the charge is 0, it's neutral. The symbol is N. The mass is 1 mu. The location is also the nucleus. You must know about that. Then you have the electron. The charge is negative. The symbol is E and the negative on top. The mass is 1 over 1840 mu. Location is the shells or the energy level. Okay, the shells are also known as energy level. This is very important to know. Now we know that matter is made up of 3 basic units. 3 basic units. The first one is an atom, which we are talking about now. The second one is an ion, which we'll talk about later. Third one is a molecule, which will also be discussed later. And then from there we can move on. We are here. We know what this is. An ion is just a charged atom. A charged what? Atom. That's all. A molecule is a free atom that can move anywhere. Now, we can look at how do we find the number of protons. Okay? How do we find the number of protons? Okay. Electrons and neutrons. How do we find this? Now we know that every element has got a symbol. Okay, it has got a number there and a number there. The A number is what we call the mass number. The Z number is what we call the proton number or the electron number. Now remember, mass number is in the nucleus. Okay, it's a combination of the proton plus the neutron. This. In symbols, you are saying mass number is equal to Z, which is P, plus N. So let's look at an example. So if I have given you something like 24, I put 12 here, and I say find the number of 1 protons, 2 electrons, 3 neutrons. How are we going to find this? Let's see how we can find. 1. Protons. Remember, the proton number is just there on there. So number of protons is just 12. So 12 protons. 2 electrons. The number you are saying here, you see, it's also the number I call the electron number. So we also have 12 electrons. 3. The neutrons. Remember what we said, that A is equal to Z plus N. N is for neutron, isn't it? Okay. We have A, which is the number there on top, 24, equal to the Z, we have it already, it's 12, plus N. That means N will be equal to 24 minus what? 12. So N, which is the neutron number, is 12. So we have 12 neutrons. That's how you do find it. But there were sometimes the mass number you are seeing here, sometimes it can be called nucleon number. It's the same thing when they say mass number. Okay. Alright, so thank you so much for following me. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Previous the Tutor.